Researchers at NASA's Dryden Flight Research Center have recently completed the second and final phase of flight tests on the Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy. The performance and structural integrity of this airborne observatory, also known as SOFIA, was validated through a series of flight tests that confirmed the aircraft could operate safely at various flight conditions with the telescope's door open.
Clear for Pupo 1.5 to 0.5. 3, 2, 1. Complete.
SOFIA technicians at the Dryden Aircraft Operations Facility in Palmdale, California, will now finish installation and checkout of the remaining systems that support telescope operations. The modified Boeing 747 is now approved to begin flying astronomy missions at altitudes as high as 45,000 feet later this year.